Today I'm going to be making string hoppers. It's very easy to make. Under 10 minutes you can make string hoppers for 2 people. So I'm going to be using 2 different flours. This is the red rice flour I'm going to be using. This is one of my favorite brands, Vijay brand. But you can get any brand red rice flour. And this is the white one on the same company. And this is the steamed white flour. This one you can use it too, same method. And this is the ragi flour which is called kurakan. This one I usually roast it a little bit and then I make string hoppers with these two. But today, these are the 2 flours I'm going to be making. So let's make some string hoppers right now. I got the water boiling, full boil. It has to be boiled really good. This is the secret. So what I do is I go 20 times like this. So that's ready now. So I'm going to be using the red rice flour. I have 2 cups here. This is enough for 2 people. About 2 cups. Salt as needed, about a little bit, sprinkle a little bit. Now to mix it good. Add little by little. Little bit more. I usually don't add too much water. I put little by little. That way it's easy. I know the method. What do you call the consistency to make it. So this is actually this is how you want it. This is the mixture. You can make it like a ball. See, you don't want it too watery, too dry. See? That's kind of like a ball. So when you make it, it's like this. That's how we want it. So this is ready now. This one is ready. So we have, I usually have 1, 2, 3, about 4 different presses. This is the cookie press. This is my favorite one to make the string hoppers. This one. This is the one I usually make. But that's, you can buy it from Amazon or Indian store, anywhere they have it. This is a kitchen, they call it kitchen press or the cookie press. And this is the traditional one from Sri Lanka. And these are the things, this is the one that my mom used to make and my sisters. And you can get this one too. This one you put the mixture in the middle and go like this. It's easy to do that too. But this is the one I am used to. So I'm going to be using this today. So let's try. So on this cookie press, make sure you get the smallest whole one. See the small rounds is the noodle make one. So on this one, I usually spray non-stick spray right here to in the middle here a little bit. That way it won't get, it won't stick. This is how I make it. You can make any way you want, but this is how I make it. So that's ready to press. Now I'm getting the molds. These are the string hopper molds. That's what they call it. These you can buy from Sri Lankan store, Indian store, any store. It's on Amazon too. So they come in a 10 packet. I have 2 in here. This one too, I usually spray with this one. do 6 at a time. It's easy for me that way. And now, so this is how I make it. How thick you want your string hoppers. I don't like it too thick. This is how I like it and my family likes it. And this is the steamer. You need to have a steamer. It's very easy to make it in here. I have a huge one. I have a big steamer, but there's a small one too. You can use this one too. The big steam is easy to make, so what you do is you put it in here. That's 6 in here. You can put 12 in here. This is enough for 2 people. If you eat like us. I usually eat about 6. My husband too. I eat the most, I think, at my home. So this is enough for 2 people. So I have about 6 cups water here boiling to steam my string hopper. So this is ready now. That's perfect. Let's put our string hoppers in here. Make sure you put it right, cover it. About 5 minutes. I usually steam my string hoppers for about 5 minutes. Make sure you put a timer for 5 minutes. I'm gonna set my timer right now for 5 minutes. Let it steam. So this is ready. It's been 5 minutes. This is perfect. Now I'm gonna take this out. Look at this. So this is ready to take. Look at that. To make the white string hopper mix, same way, boiling water. I put it in here. I do 20 times, same way. Little bit salt in here. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Same method, little by little, don't add too much. Oops, that's okay, I'll leave it. A little bit more. Little. Okay, yeah, this is perfect. See this? Okay, this is perfect now. It's fully mixed. Same like the red one. See this? Okay, so I'm gonna spray a little bit here. Sometimes this keeps. Okay, here we go. It's coming. Look at this. This is perfect. Perfect texture. Okay, so my other batch is ready to take out. I'm gonna take that out now. Looks like I might need to get a new one. This is actually this machine, the cookie press is about 10 years old. It's time for me to get a new one. But this will work. So this batch is ready to steam now. I'm gonna steam this. So let's put on the steamer for 5 minutes, about 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. This is perfect. Look at this. Look at the texture. It is ready to take off. I'm gonna take this out. Look at this. Smells good too. Perfect. Perfect string hoppers. I'm gonna put another on top, that's fine. I'll put on top of here if you want. Yeah. Look at this texture, really good. This is delicious with pork sambal, or you can eat with any curry, paripu dal curry, beef curry, chicken curry, fish curry, anything you want. It's delicious. Time to eat now. This is how I eat. You can eat with the curries if you want. I'm gonna get some string hoppers. White one, 2 of white ones, 2 of red ones. And some for sambal. And my green tea. In Sri Lanka, my mom used to make ginger, black tea, plain tea. Usually you can eat with that too. This is how I am going to use my hands. Really good, delicious. This is how we eat in Sri Lanka, and I like eating here like that too. You can use a fork if you want. This is my favorite. Now we went to Staten Island. We went to see my sister-in-law. One time she said, let's make some string hoppers, and I was like, oh, that's a lot of work. Then she said, no, it's very easy to make. So she's the one who introduced me to that flour, which are red rice and the white rice one. Under 5 minutes, her husband and her, she made string hoppers like really fast. Within 10 minutes, there was only 4 of us. Within 10 minutes, it's done. So thank you, Podiaka, for teaching me how to make that string hoppers. It's very easy now. I make it every week. This is really good. Hope you guys try this. Make it at home and enjoy with the family. I will see you on my next video. Thanks for joining me today to make string hoppers and for sambal. Enjoy with the family. Thank you. really good. With my green tea. Really good. The spicy sambal and the green tea. Wow, perfect together. I don't know, I like it. Hope you guys like it too. Enjoy.